Okay, this is test number 1 of 1.6 millimeter diameter copper wire deposited at 30,000 RPM onto aluminum nitride, 99% high polish, or medium polish actually. We're depositing at 15 millimeters per minute of linear surface feed rate, and with a total XZ feed ratio of 80, which is a total surface distance of 10 millimeters, and a total Z plunge distance of 0.125 millimeters. So with no further ado, I'm going to turn the spindle on to 30,000 RPM and start the deposition. Contact. Spindle off. Camera's off.